Now look, subscribers, this is what I'm talking about. This woman is beautiful. Have you done any modeling?
No.
Why? This is what I'm talking about, y'all, in Thailand. It's bad for no reason. In shape, fit, feminine, friendly, cooperative, submissive.
Work hard.
Work hard. That's what I'm talking about. That part. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack. The Travel OG. To be honest, guys, Thailand has spoiled me. I've been here almost 3 years now. Simple pleasures, street food for less than $1, coconut water straight off the tree. Speaking of trees, some would call the fruits and vegetables out here organic. They call it fresh off the tree. Everyone minds their business except the foreigners. Thai people are very easy to get along with. They bow their heads in respect. They sell their goods and services for a great price. All they ask is to respect their country, obey their laws, and leave that bullshit at home. And the ladies, that's the exclamation point. Traditional gender roles are common here, but at the same time, they walk with pride and wave their hands up high. There's something for everyone in Thailand. Should you plan to live in Thailand, you should be on a budget of at least $2,000 a month. With $2,500 being more realistic in my opinion. $3,000 and up will allow you to live comfortably without breaking the bank. You could potentially live a lot cheaper. Your money stretches 3 to 5 times farther, so why be on the low end of paradise if you don't have to? You know what I'm talking about? Makes no sense. Thailand is known for tropical beaches, opulent royal palaces, ancient ruins, and ornate temples. In Bangkok, the capital, go for a warm night ride on a tuk-tuk. There's nothing else like it. Nearby beach resorts include bustling Pattaya and fashionable Hua Hin. The streets can keep you busy here, and the food is amazing. What up, Zoom Tribe? Man, people write in and ask me about what it would cost to buy or rent a condo here in Pattaya, Thailand. Well, today, I'm going to show you 3 different joints at 3 different price points. I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom condo to rent for about $400, a brand new condo I used to rent that cost me about $500, and a not quite finished brand new state-of-the-art condo for sale. And this is where I met T-Licious. We're going to get into her later on. Make sure to join the Patreon for the Zoom After Dark clips. Add me on the Zoom to Thailand IG and the new ladies of Zoom to Thailand IG. You can reach out to me for consultation services, and I try to answer as many messages as I can. I'm going to show you guys the condo and her in it, but these are just for sale and not for rent. So if you're serious about buying a condo, I'm going to leave her email at the end of the episode. Y'all ready to go condo shopping? Leg up. Elle and I looked all around Pattaya for the right condo. There were a bunch of options for any budget, but I'm super picky about where I lay my head, so we looked at a gang of spots till we found just what we were looking for. We looked up and down and all around the town till we found something that checked all the boxes. They have real estate agencies, walk-up windows, word of mouth, and even Facebook ads. I like the new builds with all the modern amenities. A lot of my subscribers are retired military, and they say they can live just about anywhere. Me? I like to be the first to take a dump in the brand new porcelain joint. You dig? I'll show you my spot in a minute. But for now, All right, I'm gonna show you what $400 a month gets you. This isn't a new building, but it's spacious. It got a balcony, its own balcony in the master. It got its own bathroom, nice sized bathroom in the master. Got a second bedroom with another balcony, nice sized balcony. That's the second balcony. That's bedroom 2. Then you step out into the living room. That's another bathroom there. Nice corner unit with a view, with a nice breeze coming in. You don't even turn on the AC. Get a 3/4 view of Thailand. That's your third balcony. You get all of this. Oh, with a washing machine. You get all of this. All of this. And it's furnished. For $400 a month. With a 1-year lease, of course. Cannot make this up.
Now that's what $400 will get you at the time of this video. Remember, prices is going up. Now let's look at my old townhouse that I was paying about $500 a month for. Check it out.
Wonderful.
Now these are the new constructions on what's called the dark side of Pattaya. The dark side is defined by the area east of Sukhumvit Road. The name the dark side has nothing to do with race or the Star Wars movies. It comes from back in the day when this side of Sukhumvit had little to no light. Hence the name, the dark side. A lot of expats live on the dark side. The party element and resort feel is definitely not so prevalent on the dark side. But there's plenty of bars and restaurants on the dark side as well. Some of my favorite restaurants are on the dark side. The houses here cater to almost every budget, from a 2-bedroom house to a 5-bedroom mansion. The dark side has way more options and you get way more bang for your buck. You just got to drive a little bit farther to get to the beach. Look what I got for just over $500 US a month. A brand new 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-story with a partial city view called Golden Town. What I liked about this place is it had 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom downstairs and 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom upstairs. The downstairs was my office and where I created Zoom to Thailand. Plenty of light and windows, as well as a 24-hour security guard gated. The condos are also on sale between 2 to 4 million baht, I think. But don't quote me on that. See for yourself. It's called Golden Town on the dark side of Pattaya.
Hi, Sadika. All right, let's see. Okay, guys, when you come to Thailand, when you come to Thailand, this is brand new off the plate. Nobody has seen this yet in America. This is exclusive.
We have 1-bedroom type, and then we have 2-bedroom type.
Okay, what are we gonna see? Which one are we gonna see?
So now, today we can see only 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom type.
All right, let me see where we go here.
This is not really a complete.
Yeah, that's what I mean. This is what's great. It's new. We're getting it rough, rugged, and raw. Just like you can get it, you dig? All right, here we go. 14 on 2. Oh. We can dance till the sun goes down.
This one is about 34 square meters.
34 square meters.
We also give us a fully furnished, which means you get exactly as the showroom.
Oh, really? So we move in here, we get the whole thing and the showroom. Oh, shit. Let me see what we got here. I love view. View is my favorite. Oh, yeah. Come on, y'all. Look at this. How beautiful is this? How much for this one right here? Right here. How much this condo with you in it? How much of this condo?
So the starting price is 3.65 on the 5th floor, but on this floor it's about 4.7 million.
Ooh.
This is the 14th floor.
Jesus, she got pretty feet. Look at her pretty tight toes. She got the pretty tight toes. So, all right, let me see here. I forget about the, oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? And then you say, yeah, you know what I mean?
Washer and dryer. Oh yeah, this is nice. You guys coming out here looking for condo? What time? Shit. All right. If you come out here, you guys got to check out this condo, man. It's beautiful. They make them already furnished, ready to go. So if you have the right mind state, the right budget. The only problem with America, they no finance America, right? You have to pay cash, right? No.
But you can do a down payment with us.
How does that work?
So it's like you pay for the contract payment about 20%, and after that you pay for a down payment. It can be up to 1 year, and then you can separate the payment.
Right, but then at the end you gotta set down. You gotta pay everything.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember. The same in the Philippines.
You want to see me? You're gonna buy this first.
Oh, there you go. You heard it. You heard it. You know how to sell a unit. That's why they got her here. That's how you sell a condo. That's how you sell a condo, you dig?
Serious inquiries only, please. I messed around and left the Ring Girl's Instagram for you guys, and of course, it went bad. Some of y'all be acting too thirsty, man. Relax. To avoid any confusion, serious inquiries leave a message on the Ladies of Zoom to Thailand IG. That's Ladies of Zoom to Thailand, LadiesOFTHAILAND at Instagram. Her name is T-Licious. We're going to bring her on one of the live streams for Zoom to Thailand or Zoom to Thailand Live. Make sure to subscribe and definitely hit the notification bell so you can get it live and ask her any questions you want that's respectful. You did.
So hit that like, bang that bell, and don't forget to subscribe now. Come on, subscribe now.
Can you do me a favor? Can you say theme music?
Sorry?
Theme music.
Theme music.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it popping. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
Get a video. Do that again. Yeah, she's a oh shit, sucky. All right, let me get the picture.